Being the stupid idiot means sometimes you make mistakes, and in the process of the bathroom remodel and moving the armoire, we ended up with a TV and a new place on the wall and no way to power it without being able to see the cable. So this project is to bring a power outlet up the wall, and the second picture is the holes that we started in order to fish the wire to the outlet down below and hide everything. So here we go. All right, well, making my own mess this morning. Getting ready to put a electrical box out here for the television, and you have these tabs on here on the top and the bottom that will flip up once it's in the wall and hold the box in place. So it looks crooked on the video, but it's actually pretty straight. And it's installed, and it's perfectly level. Got a little bit of foam to put in there, and we're ready for fishing the wall. All right, had to go with the green string because I couldn't see the fish tape in the wall, but we now have green string there, coming out there, and we're ready to pull wire. Okay, it's a wrap. The new outlet is in. There's power. The good news is that from here, you won't see the outlet or the power cable. Done.